with sugar syrup. Hello guys! Today I want to make a popular Arabian dessert which they call it LUGAIMAT or sweet dumplings. Simple lang ang ingredients nito. Here I'm using 250 grams of LUGAIMAT mix flour, 1/2 cup of water, 1/8 cup of oil, 1 potato, and sugar syrup. Mix the flour and then the water and the oil. Mix it properly. Then leave it for around 30 minutes. Cover it with the cloth, and after 30 minutes you can fry it. Boil the potato till almost cooked. So the potato is almost cooked. Remove from the heat. Okay. See, I make only half the potato because the potato is too big. So I make sit aside and make it cool. So after the potatoes come cool, I peeled it. Then it's ready for grate. Using the grater, you have to grate it. Because later we'll mix it with the LUGAIMAT mix. So here it is. Will become just a small. Grated potato. Later to mix it with the LUGAIMAT mix. So here I mix the grated potato with the LUGAIMAT mix and mix it properly. So after 30 minutes, here it is ready to make balls and fry. Just by using the hand, make the balls. So here it is after frying, become golden brown. Sugar syrup. Let the sugar syrup dissolve with the dumplings. And mix it. So the sugar syrup will dissolve in the sugar syrup is made of sugar and with the cardamom powder and saffron. So now it's ready then. Here is the popular Arabian sweet with sugar syrup.